Just a brief appraisal of the position the Cat 951's in at the moment. This is the lower sort of bulkhead between the operator's compartment and the engine. This is the bit I was querying about. This is for Tony Fryer. This bit here is bolted to there. It's on a plastic pipe, and I'm not quite sure what it actually does. Whether it's an air flow indicator for the air filter assembly or something else, but I think it might be something to do with the airflow, so just hope anyone can identify what this is. It's a semi-rotary pump. This is going to be fitted to the cover. All this is in kit form. It's all ready to fit back onto the machine. Battery box has been welded, repaired and painted. So that bonnet, intake. So around here we got floor plates, side panels. Around here we got fuel tank. It's ready to be fitted. Then we got the biggest item is the cab, which has been sprayed. It'll be glazed once it's on the machine, because it's be quite heavy trying to fit this with a fully glazed cab. So it's just to see what I need. I need some engine parts now to complete. Got its number. I'll be using these lamps, be sprayed black. There'll be 2 on the back of the fuel tank, 2 on the front of the cab, work lights. Got all my bits in here, the exhaust, muffler, and the Piper Made flap, pre-air cleaner, and various other little bits and pieces. So it's getting there. Also in the back of the car, I've got the plate, which is going to take back up onto the machine. This plate that I made up, put a curve on it. It's been drilled, so this is going to be offered up to the machine to see if it fits okay. I got all the other bits and pieces, the clamps, hydraulic clamps. There's still a fair bit to do, even got all the bits for the rewiring of it. But really, it's a fair amount of work to get it back to running condition, but it should be good when it's done. So one of the next things I got to do is take this plate up onto the machine, offer it up, bolt it up, and see if I need to put more of a curve on there or not. Bring it back, spray it, and there's another bit done. But as you can see, the cab is a lot better. When I first had it, I got the spare cab from the back of the house. So if anybody's looking for a 951A Leverton cab frame, I got one here. I'm not going to offer silly money for it, so it's in the way at the moment. I can't see me doing another 951, but this is the position of the restoration at the moment. A lot of it is in kit form now. The other projects I got to do is the D2 cylinder head refurb, the TD6 rebuild. The JCB is on hold until my knee's better, so I haven't touched that for over a year now, which is a shame. But I can wait. I got plenty of jobs. I got plenty of time. So you see, got his old PWM number 7234, PWM 7234. So, and the Leverton badge. So that's it for now. once more larger parts we put back on the machine, it'll be a vast improvement. As I see got bits everywhere at the moment. So till next time.